Good morning, kids. I'm Suman ma'am, and this is the second part of Unit 1, Numbers till 100. The topics that we will cover today are greater than, smaller than, and equal to, ascending, descending order, ordinal numbers, and concept of 100. So, you see the sign. First, know the name of this sign. The first symbol is greater than. When we use it when the number on the left side will be bigger. Then the next symbol is less than. We use it when the number on the right side will be bigger. And the third symbol is equal to. We use it when both the numbers are equal. And how we compare the numbers? We compare the numbers from the tens place. We start from the tens place, then we go to the ones place. Now let us do some example, then it will become clear to you. The first is 76 and 65. You see, first we will see the tens place. On tens place, in first number we have 7. In second number we have 6. So which number is bigger? 76 is bigger. You don't need to go to the ones place. Next example is 84, 86. Here, in both the numbers on tens place we have 8. So move to the ones place. In first number, that is 84, you have 4. And in second number 86 we have 6. So which one is bigger? 86 is bigger. So here he will give the less than sign. Then the third question, 43, 43. On tens place we have 4 in both the numbers. On ones place we have 3 on both the numbers. It means both the numbers are equal. Now, ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange the number from the smallest to the largest. The first example is 49, 47, 48, 44, 45. So you see which is the smallest number here. The smallest number is 44, then 45, then 47, then 48, and the last number will be 49. So the arrangement should be 44, 45, 47, 48, 49. One more example. 88, 93, 39, 79, 29. Now see which is the smallest number here. The smallest number is 29, then 39, then 79, then 88, and the last number is 93. So we will arrange the number like this: 29, 39, 79, 88, and 93. Now descending order. In descending order, we arrange the number from the largest to the smallest. The first example is 74, 80, 77, 68, 55. Now see what is the largest number here. It is 80. 80, then 77, then 74, then 68, and at last you will write 55. So the arrangement should be 80, 77, 74, 68, and 55. One more example. 23, 72, 14, 95, 38. So what is the largest number here? The largest number is 95, then 72, then 38, then 23, and at last you will write 14. So the arrangement is 95, 72, 38, 23, 14. Now ordinal number. So to know this, we have to discuss one more number, that is cardinal number. Cardinal number is the counting number that you are already knowing. So let us go through the definition. A cardinal number is a number that says how many of something there are, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now ordinal number. Ordinal number is the number that tells you the position of something in the list, such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth. It means it doesn't tell you how many, it tells you the position. Okay. Now we will discuss it with the help of a 10-letter word, that is strawberry. The first letter is S. Spelling of first is F-I-R-S-T, and in short form we write it 1-S-T first. Then T. T is on the second position. Spelling of second is S-E-C-O-N-D, second, and in short form we write 2-N-D, second. R is on the third position. Spelling is T-H-I-R-D. In third you write T-3-R-D, third. Now A is on the fourth position. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth, and we write fourth, T-H, fourth. W is on the fifth position. Spelling is F-I-F-T-H, fifth, and we write it 5-T-H, fifth. B is on the sixth position. Spelling is S-I-X-T-H, sixth. In short form we write 6-T-H, sixth. E is on the seventh position. Spelling is S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. We write in short form 7-T-H, seventh. R is on the eighth position. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. And in short form we write 8-T-H, eighth. R is on the ninth position. Spelling is N-I-N-T-H, ninth. And in short form we write N-9-T-H, ninth. Y is on the 10th position. T-E-N-T-H, tenth. And in short form you write 10-T-H. Now you see one thing. In short form we write first 1-S-T. Second you write 2-N-D. Third you write 3-R-D. But from fourth we use TH with the number of the position. Okay. It will be 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, like 11-TH, 12-TH, 13-TH, 14-TH, 15-TH, in this way. Okay. Now the last is concept of 100. We studied up to the largest 2-digit number, that is 99. Now we have to learn the smallest 3-digit number. And how we get this? When we add 1 to the largest 2-digit number, that is 99, we get 100. Or in other words, we can write 1 more than 99 is 100, and just after 99 is 100. The spelling of 100 is H-U-N-D-R-E-D. On abacus, you saw the number 100 like this. On ones place we have 0, so there is no bit. On tens place we have 0, so there is also no bit. And on 100 place we have 1, so there is 1 bit. Understood? And the 3 places are hundreds, tens, ones. The spelling of hundreds is H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S, that is equal to 100. And on abacus we represent it by the capital letter H. Now at the end of this video we have some assignment to do. The first one, you have to compare the given numbers, and then second, you have to write the ordinal number of the letters of the word clown and flower. So after going through this video, you have to solve the questions given in your book. So bye and take care.